Welcome to the first tour of Everbest Travels, 14 Parishes of Jamaica series, starting in the wild and unpredictable Hellshire, St. Catherine. This isn't just a trip, it's survival. Towering waves, shadows in the sea, madness on the roads, and views straight out of a dream. Will we make it through? Buckle up because this journey is about to get insane.
This is how I like it.
One Nigel. Ever blessed. Can't go left way.
Nobody can cross it, only who understand it cross it.
Tell him that you're coming from Everbest.
What?
Oh, what that? Hey! Hey, yo!
Man!
Run! Run! Yo! That at the ever bless your rate, ever bless people. I'm gonna be today. We'll be journeying. We've been doing a road trip, and I'll be the team for today. I'm gonna be introducing to them one by one. Stay tuned. The team that we'll be journeying today is Wild.
Fully wild. We're there all the time. And if you're not wild, you what? Spoil.
Leave no man. We out and stunting, my father.
Yes.
Wildlife.
See it there.
Big up Everbless. I don't know 190s. I said this. Big up Everbless all the time.
See it there. See it
Don't
there.
know.
And guys, if I don't see that, we don't know
See
so we're
right.
going fishing. And see them fully equipped and we're in the dark. So stay tuned for the light and obviously we're going.
Believe.
Wild we travel.
Fully wild.
Travel,
Fully.
travel plus wild.
Wild.
See it there.
Thoughts on the trip?
So that's what to your right is a 100 man. Well, that here is well developed. We have to go take a journey and check out and see how them store there. I think I done that side. You have what is the store that you want to go again? The one that you want to take the car down?
Price smart.
Price Mart. I think Price Mart is down there. So we're heading straight, and straight is gonna take us down to Hellshire Road. So we'll be linking up with two other YouTubers, my people, and in short orders I'll be introducing them to my camera. But at this present moment we have the Wildlife family. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, people, and watch how go on. The traffic bad in a Portmore. Look at the traffic is bad everywhere. Traffic is wild. Traffic is wild. Everybody are bored too.
When I spoil before you wild.
Yeah. Traffic mad. So we take time on a board too, people. Yeah, man. Stay tuned and watch what we go on. Everbest people will ask. This church, me not, this church me not asking for. Public people don't know where I go. I thought I was lost, but no, I just out of curiosity to make sure it's I'm on the right track. So now guys, we are on Hellshire Road. We do I ever blessed don't know the exact location that we be. I'll be linking up with the YouTuber and he's on that location up with me. So stay tuned and watch out. I will take a picture. Do you development to see that over the hill? Used to be a lot of let's see. Next to trees, it will be easy and big roads. The road to Hellshire. People, as we take on this adventure with this road to Hellshire, guys.
Road to 2K.
And we are also on the road to 2K, but people can be asking us to help me get there by subscribing, by sharing out my videos with people. And my people, you keep missing the notification bell. Please give me that notification bell that as soon as a video is uploaded, you'll be one of the first to know. Ever bless people, keep supporting. Appreciate me so much. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate it. This morning, son of people. Morning, son. Wild. So that left turn, my people carry you into Hellshire Beach. One of these days, I'll be taking you guys to Hellshire Beach. So, walk around and eat lobster and fish. Steam fish there. Like some people, so it's a seafood. Yeah, epic day where we'll be linking up my people with 2 other YouTubers for sure. And we have Wildlife TV here, and Wildlife TV is made up of about 5 of them. Yeah. Some people, this is one of the extreme fishers. The extreme fishers, my people.
Yeah, the right spot, you know?
So without the right spot, and stay tuned and watch. Today, I'm going to catch a fish, my people, and write my name on it. Ever Blessed Travels. Ever Blessed Travels. And we're going, you already introduced to the team.
Yeah, man.
Wildlife, fully. So, where next?
I don't know a name, but you know what I say?
Yeah. Yeah, you know, me don't know your woman, brother.
I'm sure them. Why?
You want to say why?
You're spoiled.
You see it, and you know,
190
you think you're easy.
That is it.
Hey, you see the punch the left on here. I fish today, and I'm one big fish eat.
Jamaica Adventure.
So many people,
no, man.
stay tuned
No, man.
and watch out. We have one more YouTuber to link up with me people. We could see what them are going to produce today. Big things. So see me people, this is the surroundings. We are in the hills of Hellshire. Yeah, man. See you.
General, set the line on really need. Alright, what you say? I just really mean. Hey, Jano. Some of them they want to feel New Year, you know, man.
You see it?
Change up the thing, you see me?
Yeah.
That is it.
What you're going to see?
That is it outside.
You're gonna start.
Remember, tell them.
Start.
Remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe to Ever Blessed.
So you just bust the corner and at them feel mind up and see them my people.
Free food.
The wildlife.
Free food.
The team is out. Them say them wild.
$158.
Transport for the day, people.
While the Canadian dollar
Yeah, man.
is being sold
Tell them
for
what them.
$111.
We want one more top people.
Never you're gonna never build. Feel long this way. And don't get the trigger there.
While it's costing $100.
Up on the church, them live.
We get to a place like this. A 2 box here. Bird pick me. Just there, you know. How much about 4 them up there, you know?
Eh?
And about 20 of them now. Come up
So you feed them?
No man, don't feed them man.
Why you not feed them?
I pest them man.
You have to feed them because you want to feed them. Let them breed up more. Here, and as we demonstrate here before the people that Ever Blessed Travel is going to be showcasing extreme
fishes.
fishes are going to do today. However, establishing 90s are going to catch. 90s are going to catch one big fish and right Ever Blessed Travel spanning. Your name is G. Start out your name.
England chef.
England chef?
England chef, you know, man. Everything guy.
I did him.
Yourself, Phillips. One ever get.
Certified. Wild. And if you're not wild, spoiled. Believe.
So that boss represents Ever Blessed Chap, you see it? Let's go over the show some. Go.
See, the team is out fully. Stay tuned and watch our go, my people. We have one next YouTuber to link up with people. Stay tuned and watch our show.
You and you. Feel water.
Well,
So we see that sneakers and something.
Oh, you know where about this?
you notice that you man tell me say a bush where I go. So I take off the wear shoes, this can dash anytime.
No worry about this.
Yeah, that's it.
Everything when me have
Every man look like they can wet up in our man. We wet up in us.
Alright. Yeah, what me have a problem with? Me have a problem with when water catch me up. My foot tend to run. I mean, I like when my foot run.
We have car can tie. They have to
So
run
what
tie.
me do? Never stop like that.
I will chop you off if it are.
So my one, you have to stop like that. But then when we do know, we say, you know what, I'm going to wear the shoes there because I don't like when my foot are moving. The crooks have a tendency to shoot my foot, just shoot my foot. When you wet. If your rest of your foot not well clean. No man, if your foot not well clean, man, your foot run up on it. What's your foot? But if your foot well clean, you get a little bit. Jump in that. Now what people right now at Hellshire Beach. How big? How we are trailing, extreme fishing.
This is how I like it. Oh,
is a fishing area, but the road to the location is kind of bushy. The extreme fishing is reduce the amount of bush that scratch up in bush when you come in here. Okay. So people. Good afternoon. You can put them some of them today, huh? All right, rest your body, rest your body. Ever bless people. You have to be versatile, you know. Yeah, man, that type, man. That type, we're not there for one thing. As we say, we are explore things, you know. Some of people. Whoa! And them kasha here.
Makaya po dyan tayo. Yeah, man.
No, make him, hey, I check him out, no.
Pinatay a wall.
Punch it,
Yeah, man, my job kept going to a wall.
oh, yes.
Right now, to a wall and punch it. You can't put your chest, but put it
Okay.
on the wall.
I know the makaya, no play. Watch it, you see the one here? You know, see the one here? The one that touch my foot? Touch my foot, you know? Yeah, you touch here? Next thing, I know if you touch here. When fun the next one? So the beauty of the song, you my people. I ever blessed travelers, people. We're in the bush. Yeah. The extreme up front of the people. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Outside.
Believe no. Be a big fish today, hear that?
Believe.
Extreme them all.
That is it.
So my people, as I did say, that we're going on this epic adventure. We'll be showcasing all of them places. We are in the hills of Hellshire, my people. So we'll be showing you bits and pieces and details of how this place set up as we go along. And I'm going to be asking my people, please, to subscribe to Everbest Travels. Yeah, man, road to 2,000, my people. And in previous video, I did say that the video that make Everbless 2,000 subscribers, that video will be, Everbless will be donating that all proceedings from, let me get a little clear, every money when we collect from the video there, I go towards some form of charity. So if it is, I'm not too sure exactly what Everbless will be sponsoring, if it is going to be for the elders or for a school or for someone who is well in need, but Everbless, or for the church, but Everbless is well interested in charity, and charity Everbless will be giving back. Yeah, man. So many people, I'm going to be asking if you to subscribe to my channel, lead me to 1,000. Like this video, my people, make me to 2,000 so that I can give back. Yeah, man. Never bless people. Yeah, man. And as you watch, my people, I'm gonna be encouraging you to touch the notification bell, that each time I upload a video, you'll be one of the first to be notified. Ever Blessed Travels is in the place. Some people, you know, some have to continue to do the big up there. And me want big up me for YouTube Color Summit. Yeah man. And the whole team. I want big up Cameron family. Yeah man. I want big up Fall Adventure. Fall Adventure? I think that's what I'm naming the people. And I think we should have chopped this year. Yeah, this year is the place I want a little chopping with people, but extreme I take time go through. Yeah man. That's how the things set up in my people. Yeah man, as we traverse through this bushy thoroughfare. Yeah man, that's how it was. Extreme fishing people. I'm gonna also be asking of you to subscribe to him. That is extreme people. Yeah, man, wild. Team is out. People to be resolved.
One day in a middle. One day in a middle. People be Joan and can't go over there. Go look over there.
Joan can go over there. Joan can go over there.
Where you look one?
The beer crooks down there, man. You know, see they make it pathway, walkway coming in the water.
Okay.
Look up on the one that
Yeah.
Look up on the one that in the water.
I want them better. Look at that water.
I want you to meet me.
Alright, so I'm going to continue. Nearby, you know.
Yeah. Them come to the shortcut. You see what I
Yeah.
That's really okay.
They're looking for crocodile, my people. Hey, watch your bird, you know. Watch your bird and the Joan. Watch your bird and the Joan, Aquil. Okay. They will knock it out of the sky. Bro, they knock this Jones out of the sky all the time.
Oh, where's something move this? Let's see it. Yeah, something move right this.
They see a crocodile somewhere there, my people. So I'm just hoping that the Joan is out. I'm just hoping that the Joan will pick up.
Shame. Oh, you're in a go long there? Sweet.
The Joan will pick up.
One shot. Because
You see croc here?
everything get up.
You see no croc in
A
there?
rifle not gonna use every man have a rifle and set.
Okay, when you watch it, you will see.
Yeah.
So the Joan is back. Errol Thompson. See that? Yeah, man. That is it, you know. That is it, you know, Errol. That is it, you know. We're outside, Errol. We're outside. And we are show appreciation. You see it? Yeah, man. Some of the people, that drone was sponsored. Signal the plane. Signal the plane. See it. We are outside. We are outside with the wild and the extreme. The wild and the extreme is out. Yeah, man. The wild and the extreme. And see my people. See him there. In the extreme, that means I'm going to the extra length. What that here? All of them man you are going to rate. Alright, let me see one. This my people. I am the man for the adventure today. There's something here. And what them use when they catch up, when the catchers catch on big fish, they use this hooking and drag it. Yeah. So Rush. Show you the people how extreme go the extra mile to make sure that everything sort out by the adventure when you go.
This one use and tie them go to the water.
Oh.
It's a
Yeah.
scraper.
Yes.
Take it, hook out the fish mouth
Oh,
and
yeah.
tie fish down.
Alright.
You know, it's not store.
Alright. It was created by
That's not
Extreme.
coming in a store.
It was created by Extreme?
Yeah, man.
Alright. So my people want to see
This
how.
tongue on my back of belt, you know?
Yes.
I need to put it there. My pump rod till just a dig off already, you know, brother. Big bump come to make fish out, you know. So I mix up my rod and go in and
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
when can the fish are run.
But-
You rather dig you.
But that, but when you lift up that, it look like something else.
But
yeah?
this still, you know.
Lift up that again, you see?
I know my original style is, you know.
Yeah.
Them still upon you, upon thing, but me, from a seat,
Oh, but when you lift up, it look like something else.
some just make it, eh?
You look that when you lift up, it look like you want people.
I don't know what you're talking about.
All right, so my people. This is the reason why this man named Extreme. When you take a good look on him, my people. We are in the learning process as to how you do fishing. Ever bless have two rod, you know? But ever bless no know nothing about fishing.
No, textbook
still,
for fish, you know. It's not how me do it, you know. You see me?
You're right,
Just try
right.
something on the rock, you just stick with it.
Yes,
You see me?
yes,
How
yes.
me do it.
Yes.
And I was going to say, this is the way, this is my way.
And that is the reason why your name Extreme.
I reap success at it, you see what I say?
Yes.
So just continue with me. Keep this one here, your thing.
That is the reason why the man named Extreme. You see my people? Him look extreme for you? Alright. See how things set
Ready
up.
now?
Yes.
No, I'm ready.
Well, if you... Well, where pata bubble?
Oh, pass away, I go do everyone.
Okay, okay.
What a little.
So somebody have to go more, you mean that for more than one trip?
No.
Okay. Alright, my people. Alright, my people. Alright, my people.
Yeah, no, keep look at the card near van there.
No,
Engine can tell you something.
no. Some of the people stay tuned and watch what I go. You see it. One Nigel. Ever blessed. Hey, what you see him? Well, yeah, I'm gonna do it. You know overthrow me today with the energy where you have ever blessed people.
Yeah, man.
Nigel is in the house. Yeah, man, and Nigel come well prepared, my people, more catch fish.
well prepared.
And I ever bless. I go watch him catch. And when the big fish, when catch him, all right, me name, and him all right, ever bless. Travels. Yes. He said, believe. And that is it, no people. Some my brother. Shout out yourself, man.
So people, I don't know, this is Nigel. We go by Nigel Yeman TV on YouTube. So you can check me out. Watch the process.
You see it. And ever bless it, watch the space. See it. Yeah, man. And right now, it's that here.
Is that here?
Oh, yeah, right. Ever bless. Everyone I go rate. Yeah. Yeah, man. All right, people. So we're going to take on the journey. Some of the people see everybody, I get ready. Everybody, I get ready for go through this. So. And the ocean is there. We have to go hide from the ocean for now. And we're going to go through this bush here. So stay tuned, my people, and watch the space. How are you going up there?
Go forward, go forward, go forward.
And I did? You never know, sir. Somebody left you up there.
Well, me did not look myself. I don't even remember.
Shot, they can't put on the back for anything, man. Ever bless people. That's about the... Yeah, man, never bless people. Niger, extreme, and wildlife. Take me out of my comfort zone, my people. When you super, you can come. Alright. We'll follow back at them and see what we do. So here we meet the people. Go and watch the street. So everybody that's used to what going on with people. Everybody from here, you to them. Look for them stone. Look for them stone. You see them stone that's there? You see the creation of God, maybe, brother?
Yeah.
God's creation, you see it? All the day of your life, you walk on dirt. I see that. So many people. We are going to take on the challenge now. We are going to cross there. So which way am I going? Hold on there, oi! Pilot! You can't go left way.
So hold on, around that's how we go.
I want this Papa Father. Let's go with our best people. You know, talk to your people, them, sir.
Look here. Aha. Yeah. That's a tape. I make a cross. Hey, me have to much something, you know. Me have to much something.
Extreme. Yeah, round that's how we go.
Can I walk with the
No,
box,
I don't think this
Yeah,
is
me have my phone and my camera. Battery in this.
I don't think this is my cup of tea.
Huh?
I don't think this is my cup of tea. Ever bless people. I don't think this is my cup of tea.
Your cup of tea this.
This is gonna be like Nigel scaring to walk through a cemetery.
Yeah, believe it. Yo, I just stop back your more your phone. Where's that going?
I could be careful.
How much balance is for?
Careful.
He go. Alright, so I can't put my phone in the bag there and thing then. Oh, you go hold that. You want more back there? Yeah. My phone there nice.
Hold on, brother. Hold on. Oi. You're pilot to cross here, so we don't know nothing about them.
Alright, come follow me. When you line up and follow.
Hold on.
The bucket, man, the bucket.
Hold on. Me say hold on.
Man,
All the time, I bless.
I'm listening to them sitting here with people. 90s. 90s, take your time.
No, right place, man, come in.
Follow them routine.
Forward, nice guy, come in.
Hey, be back from the back, where?
It's a wet. No,
Nothing in there.
your clothes, change your clothes.
Go on. Step up.
Boxers.
Step up, come in.
We step up.
Step up, go on.
Make it. You make it.
Yeah, man, you make it, go on.
How do you feel it on it?
Yo, igloo, turn over.
Hey.
Alright.
Me a captain or something. You know what them kind of adventure. I travel, you know.
So the travel. Yeah, travel to you.
Crazy. Leave it.
Daddy, wait, lift up the bag. Lift up the bag there.
As a fisherman. Watch your press. Yeah, man, we outside, man.
Daddy, lift up the bag.
This one?
Yeah.
Put in there.
Nobody can cross it, only who understand it cross it.
Angel, you make it?
Yeah, man, you make it.
You want to make it across. The people are extreme, I can't with you there something there, you know. You look in the bottom of it.
That's it. Follow grass.
Wildlife, how are you going?
Don't check for the water, just step over it.
Up and down business them here.
Right, me nearly drop.
And one thing me sure know, you know, me not see where me are going, me just a step.
The first man make a step. Alright, do what you do now.
Already you look where you are going. Extreme is a cruel man. Extreme and nice and plan to with the people. Ever best travel by air routes, you never see. See 90s there?
Regular day.
I feel regular city.
Regular day, man.
Yeah.
That carrying past no more, so you get used to it. Is it?
Yeah, man. Nigel on the afraid of dumping the people. He's not afraid of water.
Where you stay? How the journey so far?
Yo, the journey good enough. And them thing you will love, you see it? Yeah. Them adventure are crazy. Yeah, man, believe it.
You want all of who or whatever bless to subscribe to him page. And you want to leave a comment for him. Yeah, man. And you want to tell him that you're coming from Ever Bless.
What?
Over that, hey! Hey, yo!
Man!
Over that, hey! Hey, yo! Nigel, what was that, Nigel? Nigel! What was that?
It was a
stingray.
Stingray, yeah.
Oh, I thought it was coming from me. Ever Bless people. Oh my goodness. So why you pick up speed like that? Get scared.
Yeah. Let's get scared and then run.
What happened? Nigel, did you? Nigel, did that tape me? That was taping? Cheese and peace. Ever Bless people. Hey. Everybody will call me coward.
Run a while.
You look here.
I thought it was me was the coward.
Yeah.
But look at Ever Bless.
Me I tell you, man. Nigel, you see when him flapping wing? I thought it was coming straight at me. I remember now, me know say me a trespass. Just so I feed them. You understand? This is where they live. So when you trespass in a people's property, You have to be aware. And let me tell you something, I am scared. Rotted look like it's reach. Hey. If I best people wanna see that, come over. Hey, come over, come over. When we reach Panland, I have to take a nice little sit down. For me come and trespass night people in place. Hey, yeah, yeah. Jaja, you. So crocodile are in place to text. Hey, Jen. So we need the case and get out. I think it's just down. That one, for the water so shallow, why am I doing the shallow water? Oh, you can look food out here. Oh, and catch what them a catch. Me hear the history about them, but I didn't know what it was at first. Ever these people, I am out of the water. I am out of this water with me weak. Wildlife. Wildlife. Yeah. I want to see stingray come from me. I want to sit down. I want to sit down there. I want to sit down there and tape me. Brother, no, I need a cut. But guess what happened now? Let me tell you now what I go on. Me see it come to me, don't know what. Yeah. So you see when he reach closer to me and flapping wing, that's the time when I say, oh, it's a stingray. But the time I already turn off.
This is how I like it.
There's no fish?
No fish. We don't catch nothing yet. But we're gonna catch something. Believe it. Yeah.
Yeah, put on this.
If you follow what they must place there, you know. I hit that tree, you know.
Hello, where's it?
If they follow what they must place there, I hit that tree. For free on the cold store. Para kaluwas na tree. Yo! Take a look, crocodile. Okay. Whatever night there. Yeah, man.
Mega.
You know, some type of sugar before we go over the
To go for 2 minutes with you. I'll look at you.
This is how I like it.
Ever blessed people. I'm in the nature. Ever blessed, never stress. What is under my nose? I'm out. I'm out. And the water clean. That's our next thing with Jamaica water, you know. Always clean, no? Yeah. So we look like extreme are coming in? Yeah. So what the experience outside here is like? What you feeling about today?
Today, it's a good experience.
Yeah,
It's a very good experience, especially across the water this morning.
Yeah.
It was an experience.
Yes.
But I love, and I know that all for you guys to enjoy it as well.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So.
It was great.
Yes.
And hats off to you because you can't swim.
Yeah.
You can't swim.
No.
Can't be no enough. We just a say can't see. But where you jump cross, just when you see this thing where I run up here, chuck off.
No, what happened, is that when him a come towards me, I look on him. But when him flap and pick up his speed, me turn and lose my balance. So it's not really run me, I try to turn and lose my balance. But at the same time, me want to get out and way because me know it be that in place.
Yeah.
You look like extreme I come in. Yeah. Some people this today is really a new thing for me. And as I said, I always wanted that I travel. And Nigel is a all around man.
Yeah, man, all around.
All about. Yes.
Anywhere in Jamaica.
Yes. Some people, if you overseas and you want to have a drive round experience, Nigel Yaman TV is the man. Link him up with people.
Believe it.
Yeah, himself believe. No joke. So that's it. So like for instance, Nigel, if you want to travel to me see you travel the hole you go down, I watch it the channel. The what?
The rabbit hole.
Let me ask you this no, seriously. Before you go through that stone, did you know what was down there?
No.
Nigel.
I didn't know about it. I tell you the truth, before I went down in that hole, I was scared. Not gonna lie. But when you get down there, all of your fear disappears.
Me sure. Ever bless people. I watched a video with this man jump through a wall. I had thought that him know it down there before he go down there. Me not going there, Nigel. Me rate you.
And the next thing you have to swim to go down there because the water down there in that hole is deep.
And it wide?
Yeah, it's wide.
So while you're going through, you're not afraid your head get licked from the stones and all that?
When you go down, you use your hand to like put in front of you to touch the rock.
Oh Lord.
And then you just jump down in deep water.
I want to have that experience, bro.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna check me. I look forward to you. Can we go down there?
Alright, most definitely.
Yes. And you know who is Herbie?
Herbie.
Who is Herbie?
Yeah, I think the same channel.
Alright.
Yeah.
Who is Herbie? I and who is Herbie was having a long conversation yesterday. We were talking about you. And I was saying to who is Herbie, when you want to come to Jamaica, link up Nigel Yaman TV.
Believe it.
I'll make him because I've seen you carry Christmas list around.
Yeah, man, Christmas is my boss. Chris, if you watch this, big up yourself 100%. Christmas list.
Oh, you mean Christmas list on my Gmail. You know what I did when Christmas list was in Trinidad.
Yeah.
I did a video, 2 videos. One of them I was asking for prayer. And the first one I was saying why Christmas. And I made to the video there because I rate the man. To my knowledge, when I see him do other countries, I see him do a Trinidad. So I did feel like a Trinidad in that child there. Get a piece of him. But anyway, that's out of the way now, so we don't talk about that. We're moving on to new thing. Christmas list. Ever bless one for you? Shake your hand and tell us a job well done. Yeah, man. For the places that you've been to.
Christmas list.
Yeah, man. Brave guy. Yes, man. No fear.
Like him catch something, man. Look like extreme catch something people.
Well, we are waiting to see.
He might draw something like water come. Yes, two back.
You might draw something?
He catch something, man. He catch something people. He catch something. Yes.
No, man. It's a rope.
A rope.
No, I'm not catching. It's a rope, man. You look like you find a rope out there. So you say you feel like you get your fish big when you have to tie it up with a rope to draw it in to carry over here? Alright, let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Some people, Nigel Yaman TV, ever bless travelers, people. I'm gonna be asking of you again to check out Nigel. At the Vibes Man for YouTube.
Believe.
The Vibes Man for YouTube.
Watch the process.
Yes,
as a fisherman, ever blessed. Big up yourself, people. And make sure so now continue support ever blessed.
Yes.
Him know everything, him ever blessed.
Yes, man. And never
less.
stress.
Yeah, and never stress.
Yes,
tell you
yes.
Ever blessed and never stress.
Yes. And I also know say you know you have your mouth under your nose.
Yeah.
I'm out. Yeah, man. You see it, so many people we are dealing with the thing outside, we are dealing with the thing away. But in the time, stand up in the water, you know, stand up in the place for me in there. And we are watch extreme fishing that come across. You might come across like when man come from bush. You say you have a stick, No, what they call it? Shepherd?
Shepherd.
Where the shepherd that come with the sheep? I saw you walk with the rod.
Yeah.
Moses. Moses. Yeah. So ever come across and you see. But we not see no fish. But you can see say, this a for him style, you know. A film thing this, you know. So, but when time I go back, oh, look, I can just change the location and I come back. My intention was to go close by him, but me I look on the water and it look tricky. You look at right this so deep, and right this so shallow. This so shallow and this so deep. Yeah. Eh? Okay. So where extreme get rope from out there. Him not catch nothing. The back on him back look light. Alright my people, we're gonna look and check out and see. Our food time now people. What time is it? Time for us to get some food in our stomach. And we're going to see, look and see if what the wildlife them deal with. Wildlife them deal with the food with people. Today we'll be cooking. We did make sure that we prepare. We never did sure so we were catching the fish. So ever this we walk. And we're going to cook rice and fish. We don't know how we're cooking the fish down here. What am I? What is something here? Wilkes? Oh, how many people? You see, I depend on them. I'm all about them to sit down on the okay. The bucket there with the pot I bring it a little nearer. You know the capacity. Oh! Good. Catch your half guard. So many people. Yeah, so they might catch up on fire. Well, we have to catch a fire. We are sure the fish are outside. So then we have many people. Alright, that's how I think so. So my people, Charlie and my camera, it will be extreme fishing. Extreme shore fishing, my people. And now I have to get the full understanding. Mr. Extreme, what go on, my brother? Now me get the fully understanding how you get the name Extreme. Because I think we've been here for the past 2 hours, and you know take my break.
Oh, we're not fishing on the break now.
Eh?
We're not catching the fish. So we're going to catch fish now.
Yeah.
We'll take a break out here.
Yeah, some people, when they come fishing, I say I'm set up in the camera.
Yeah, the cameraman.
Yes, I'm saying cameraman.
Cameraman, you know?
In cameraman,
Never feel the heat, you know?
Never feel. Nah, feel all of the camera.
Call him say yes, I'm ready to bust.
I'm ready to work. So many people with us a demonstrate. It's my first experience seeing all of these kind of things with you. Yeah, man.
You want to be smart extreme, you know?
Yes.
Only because most of them are self-made. You know, come up with it.
Yes. So for best people, we are here, and we are here for the experience. Listen to rock, my people. Look how good look on the rock. You see the beauty that nature has so much.
Yeah.
Father God create this and put you as a
Master architect, that's enough.
The architect create this stone. So I wonder if we carry over stone like this. Is there any problem with carrying a stone like this?
No.
This stone needs to be in somebody's.
Or somebody dressed like
Yeah. Let's put him down there and varnish him up and make him shine. So you see the design I make, people? Wow. So those two are out there. Oh, I see one.
Come on, throw them.
Two of them out there. Some people are going to take a little walk out there.
Go back to the still a fish, you know?
Yeah. So that one, what you use that one to do?
No, that's why I find it on the reef, you know?
Oh, me think
No, that's why I find it.
Okay. When we say I try look right here, me tell Nigel, say Nigel, you catch something big enough, say I rope off you use a drawing. Some people. That was extreme. Shore fishing, eh? Extreme shore fishing?
Extreme fishers.
Okay, extreme fishers. Yeah, man. Some people.
You want to show yourself?
Yes.
Extreme.
Yeah, man. Give me some knowledge, me brother.
I'm hunting permit.
Yeah.
Permit is a fish and feed and crustacean. Right? So you have some things that grow on the reef. Not really grow. They live on the reef. This car, locally we call it sea egg.
Yeah.
But the scientific name is sea urchin.
Yeah.
That's what the permit feeding on. And the reef is covered with sea urchin. That's why
Yeah.
I'm out here.
Yeah.
But I'm going to try to find one and show you guys. Yeah, man, I'm going to find out.
Yeah, man. Some people, we are out here for knowledge. And persons that have the experience have to be the person to teach us. And I am here to learn. Yeah, man. Because as I did say in from the people, I promise that I am here to show beautiful things and places. Okay.
Some like a round thing you see, but them full of like something like mappa, full of tar.
Yeah.
That is what the permit feed on.
The permit that are the fish?
Yeah, the feed, yeah.
Oh, so you mean they come out here, so
when I've got some you see, it's weird to see that. Some of the things like mappa.
Oh. So you can just imagine that you would thought that those things would damage their intestines.
Him lip like a rubber in a rubber.
Lord.
When you have teeth.
Oh yeah.
You have two things I'm sure them you can crush.
Yeah.
Lobster shell, crab shell is crushed.
Wow. Nature.
It's a delicacy in some country, you know.
Eh?
It's a delicacy.
What is called?
Some country.
What is called a delicacy?
No man, the sea urchin.
Mm-hmm.
They say like in Japan, restaurant, it come at the high price.
Oh!
People eat it.
So that's the thing that I asked for. What do you mean by it? So my brother, it is a thing that we have on the camera today. I share your experience with Everbest Travels people. And yes, and as you know, so we are saying that we are here for the experience, you know? And whatever I ever blessed learn is on camera for the world to see. So stay tuned with people and watch the process. So right here with people, this is how he set up in the ride when he come out. Very creative guy. Very creative. Extreme fisher. This is how he set it up right there. And wait, a fish pick up him right in something with him about there. Yeah man, and just really mean. Very creative. Yeah. Okay. So it's gonna be showing us not people what he was referring to earlier on. Yeah man. Come with people, come join me for the experience. Join me for this experience. So let me ask you now.
This is what the permit feed on.
Yeah. So you just come and grab this. Oh. So you can open it? It's hard to open?
It's have life, you know?
Hey, we know. So that's what makes it hard to open. So these are, let me touch it. These are, wow, these are very peggy. So if you step on that,
that's a real water. That's a real water.
Oh, oh.
So I'm going to go and catch it. Somehow use as a bait.
Okay. What you do? You're opening something up on it. Okay.
That's it with more aggression.
Okay. Okay.
See how move?
Yes. See more people. Yeah. So man, get some other people. All right. You can open it. Oh. So it's best if you're angling with the gloves.
Yeah. You got scissors and clipper.
Yeah. Oh, so that is. So you
I don't know which part in this the human consume now.
people eat it?
Yeah, man.
That's why I says in Japan they say it's a delicacy. Oh yes, you said that. Yeah. Some more like his ear because just like a piece. It couldn't be that bad. But sometimes you have some big ones. Okay, okay. Really big ones. That is it, my people. So something new for you guys to pay attention to. Yeah, man. We call it sea egg. Yeah. Yeah, watch this place. And Everbless is here waiting for a big fish to pick up a line outside. The line is, the hook is way out, my people. Way out. And he's waiting on a fish to pick it up. And I am hoping that one big fish I will pick up in line today. But that Everbless can see. And for you guys to see how they get big fish out here. And Everbless is out here. No fear! Everbless travels! That is it. See the ocean, my people? Beautiful. Really love the scenery here. Yeah. So guys, so the same thing that we just demonstrated, I show. That's the one in the water here. He's lying right underneath the rock here. So Everbless. I will check you back on the fire, my people. Let's see how the process of the fire go. And right here, that me I walk right now, spear rock. It's very rocky, no sand in this area. Straight rocks, loose rocks, yeah. Beautiful rocks of different shapes and colors. See the pretty one, people? You don't want a pretty? Yeah. What the beauty of this one? With the amount of different colors that this shows. I just draw works, you know? I just draw works. Some people earlier on you could see I get the scare of a stingray while I was coming across that area there. The stingray was running for his life. And Everbless decided to run with him one time. So that is it. So fire catch up with people. Fire catch up. Or food I go eat. Yeah, man. I think the chef them move slow, my people. My people, I check say right now, we just walk out into the ocean and come back. I check say man, they may go hand me one plate with some rice and something. Hey, man, then just a catch up fire, my people. So my people, hey, man, them sabotage my belly.
But Europe and make so Everbless Europe and get in dinner.
Yeah.
My elder now want to chop no pound.
We have to tell us, I want to know say me travel. Yeah. And while me travel, me at a restaurant and all and things.
Yes,
and like when we come out in the wild here and want to depend on what we catch before we can eat. We have to walk in a restaurant and buy with food.
No, we don't have to buy, we just come hunt it.
Yeah, they just hunt it.
That's it.
And the blessings, you know, so I put up
We have a couple steamers in there.
Yes.
And barracuda.
Yeah,
Don't even have slice fish, you know.
No joke. So many people we out here without fear, you know. Yeah, man, and we join with the wildlife family. Yeah, man, so I think set up. It's for people don't see how YouTube work hard. When you see them hitch up in the day, because I record my people. Yeah, man, like a movie star setting things up. You see. I'm once we then do with the puffer fish. We're not killing. Let me see what we're doing with.
Expert that can go 1 millimeter.
Oh, okay. Oh, you don't know off it? Yeah. Yeah. So that is it, my people. So Extreme and Nigel straight in the house. I'm gonna check out the pattern of my people. So that means I don't want to look for my people. That means I had a man hungry.
Is it empty?
That fish enough to eat, man.
Yeah, man, nice.
Why did you take too long to prepare, brother? I too much work to prepare that.
You come like I water, swell him up, you know?
You think, baby? Make him swallow back himself again.
Yo, funny enough, you know them thing they work? Them thing they work is same way like when you call them thing they in a car, when you crash, airbag, same way they work, you know?
So where's the thing that going in your mouth?
It's gone clean.
Gone clean? Clean. Gone. Not teaching up, brother. Not teaching up. Or something like iron on the mouth, you know?
Where they blow?
Yeah, man, that's gone, man. See my invite in there?
So you provoke him to he can get me.
Hey, no, hey, you find time enough.
You have to make sure I look.
In defense, in the puffer fish or sour fish, huh? Alright, go back down to your regular size down G. Take time, go down to your little size down G. See, go back down to your regular size now. He just going in a defensive mood, you know, when he swell up so.
It's like if anything, I hold him, I hold on for him.
Yeah, he just
When
puff
he
up.
swells, then I have to let it go.
Okay, and then hold it up fawn there. And then hold it up fawn there on him thing.
Like spike.
Yeah, it's a lot of spike.
You feel it? Feel it.
And then they go rise up and jump me.
Sharp. No, they already rise. That's what I say, can feel it.
Oh, see that?
Sharp. Look at it. See the point there?
Yeah, sharp man.
Say, yo, you know this film, that's a part of us.
May put the something you put your name out, you know? But I laugh for you today, you know?
Man, if I chew him at that, I just
Hey, Ajay, look funny, look, you know?
Man say, oh, nice.
Say, hold on, funny. Hey. That is it, people.
Yeah. 90s, as I said, 90s, I mess with the fish. You see it? How you mean?
Squeeze the crops now, pull with the crops. One thing I flesh, you know. One thing I flesh.
Blow wow!
Yeah, man.
Blow wow!
You feel the shark. You must have stick and stone, man.
Tap, mash up the fish.
Yeah, man. You know what this is?
Jesus, it's the best one.
Nah, man. Yo, you're something like this. Watch. And show them how basic. That you go see. And show them how two. Sometimes you see a whole this is. Watch me. Yeah.
Never bless, never stress. Right, white rice and barracuda, no joke.
That's how food, bro.
It's a go on, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Chef, big up yourself, you know.
This is lovely. I wouldn't give up Jamaica for nothing, my brother. For them kind of scenery here. You see that? Extreme fishing. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much for this exposure. Yeah, yeah, man. Yay!
Want to tell you?
Yeah. Channel star. Hey. You can't fly it. AI roots and remedies give you work with you. Hey, it's not a keep on fly off of it. That's it.
Let me see, one again,
Yeah, oh yeah, get it. Yeah, oh, you get it.
Yeah.
Channel, what's that?
One more. That one there.
Get it. No, another one there.
Voila, don't move up.
Hey! Cha-cha, you! 90s! Life that I feel live with you! Me know!
One with you and me. I want that.
Cha-cha, you! Awesome move! Extreme fishing! Right place! You can't see my... Hey! Where you go up? Where you go up? Okay.
Good enough for a 30 play.
Okay.
I just play till the dead.
Okay.
Anytime you start to go,
You can't do me like when you shoot the close because they show up more on the screen. You want like when it's extreme. This is what I'm saying, and you be like what I want to wear from people duck out of them blood teeth out.
That one you do that. Yo, what that one? What?
Run! Yo! Nigel, that was. Yeah, me a hit man. Yeah. Nigel, that one was the toughest. He lived here, milk up here. You come here, don't get bigger and bigger. Extreme. You come here, don't get bigger and bigger. Akwe, the one just now with Nigel, he come like it's the biggest because the water come far. You notice how far the water come? Why lie? You are gonna get wet now. I guarantee you're gonna get wet. Wanna come? Alright, wait, pan it. One more come.
One more. The one there? What's the one there? What's the one? What's the one?
the one that come out. The one that come out.
What's the one there? No, another one there. The next one come off time. No, it died on. It's on below, man. No, it's down.
This is.
Hold on, wait for one, brother. That one is small.
This has to stress me out, you know, man. Sure.
Like a brief, like a don't get on that. One day starts over. Then they want to have a stop up right now.
Hey! Listen to me! Whoa! I put him in a certain position.
Come on, you missed it.
Alright, Suwande! Jesus Christ! They're nice. Bah! This is it, my people. This is. Somebody ready? Take time. This place is dangerous. It's beautiful, but dangerous. Ever blessed people. Ever blessed people. Can it get any better than this? I don't know. Extremist. Nigel get wet up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Nice scenery. This is our country, Jamaica. Who want to come and see?
You need to come to Jamaica and see this.
Reggie! Tell Reggie about this.
Risky ride. We are out here, bro. Believe it.
Oh, you mean?
When you found Bagayada, man thing, bro.
Oh, you mean? And Nigel said that? Don't joke.
Don't joke about it, bro.
You see it. Alright. 90. Wildlife on extreme. He's sitting on the rock right there, waiting for the big whale to come. That's it. Lovely thing. Yeah, man. We're exploring our country, Jamaica. See you guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave sweet comment for X3. Yaman TV, aka Nigel. 90s, even up play. You see, and 90s is from the wildlife.
Believe.
Yeah,
You
man.
can believe.
Oh, yo,
Been
man.
a while, just quiet.
Oh, yo, man.
That is it.
Ever bless. No stress.
Pick up ever bless all the time. And remember, people, go over there and subscribe to her.
That is.
Show him love and support. Say it way.
Oh, yo, man.
That is it. Each one, help one.
Oh, yo, man. I see him thing with them say, one and wash the other. So if you go talk like your elder, that him go say,
That.
one and wash the other.
Same so people. All of you on there right now.
Oh, yo, man.
That is it.
That is it. The beauty of this place. You can just see, guys.
One favor, man.
Believe. A 190 is a never two.
It's nice and over, you know?
I feel very time when I tell you, without you, Uncle can live. Uncle live longer. He can't live without
Man, you wait behind on this.
Alright, papasok po dun yan ako.
Hey, I was watching cigarette there when we're not where. Up there, so? Yeah. I don't know where you want to go.
I got feeling to do with something that I
Cigarette making part, kind of.
Hey, you look at my book, come on, back, look at. Hey! Hey, get to the brother here. I'm next to catch up with you. Hey! I'm next to
Abandoned ship.
What's the
More than one. No, he comes.
Yeah, man, here, come. Right, kids. Come. Wait.
Our people will just come to the end of the journey. The show where we are about the people. And this time now, we're going to be traveling through the mangrove. And our destination is home. Keep tuned and watch this space.
Fast wire.
Well, I one thing we never do no person could fall on them plate and Yes, Nigel. May make it across.
Okay, go on, sir. Go on.
Yes, that is it.
You may follow on Nigel.
Sorry, Matt, where them I go?
Yeah, please go, man. But this is our bush right this.
That here? Are you still ready for me? Let's go. We're going through this. Yeah. We're taking the final.
Now me catch. Catch anything here? You're doing.
Oh gosh. Oh, God, it's clean. Anything dirty, it's actually not. Somebody's a few. What's one of them?
Wait. 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 I'm going in front.
Tired, bro. I probably is tired. After climbing through the ocean, climbing through this forest. That was it. Probably is tired. I'm going to. It's quite a lot to where the people is parked. Yeah. One kind of easy. No, they know so they can't find their way hard through all of these places go all the way around.
Right?
You think mankind easy?
Supposed to slow down, right?
Eh?
Supposed to.
You know you?
So it's the end.
Yeah man, see like that. Ever blessed people, we have come to the end of this epic adventure. Ever blessed, never stress. And what is under my nose, I'm out.